Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change your game difficulty in F1 Manager 2024. First, you'll need to go into the Home tab by clicking this button here, then tap the Settings. And in this tab, simply tap on Settings once again. You will be automatically put into the gameplay section. And in the gameplay section you can easily change your career difficulty for car development, going from easy to standard to hard, and the race difficulty from easy to standard to hard once again. When you are happy with your choices, simply press Apply Settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.